In this guide, I'll show you how to create a new Gmail account. First, go and open a new profile in your browser from the top right corner. You can also use a guest profile. Then type Gmail in the address bar and hit enter to search. Now open the first website. Here, click on Create an Account from the top right side. You can select either of these options. Type your name. Click Next. Select your date of birth and gender, and again click Next. Now you can choose from these suggestions or create your own Gmail address by selecting this option. Type the Gmail, make sure it's available, and hit Next. Choose a strong password for your Gmail account, and type it again to confirm it. You can also add a recovery email if you wish. I'll just skip it. Now read and agree to Google's terms and services, and here we are. A new Gmail has been successfully created.